Welcome back, and here's Jermaine Brown with the Midday Sports Roundup.
Hosts Arnett Gardens clipped Montego Bay United 1-0 in the late game of a doubleheader in the Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on Monday night. An 8th-minute goal from Joel Jones proved to be the decider on the night in the feature encounter, and the win meant Arnett leapfrogged Mobay United in the point standings into second place on 37 points. Mobay slipped to third on 34 points. Arnett's coach Xavier Gilbert says his team showed their mettle on the night.
I think for in stages we managed the situation and the occasion well, and there are stages that I thought we didn't do so well, but I'm happy that we managed to walk away with 3 points. I think we too many unforced errors sometimes, even when we're not under pressure, and push us on the back foot. But our defenders and goalkeepers at some point in time came up big, and we're grateful for that.
Meanwhile, league leaders Mount Pleasant made it 8 wins on the trot as they defeated Racing United 3-2 in the first match of the doubleheader. Shaquille Bradford in the 9th and 68th minutes and Raheem Edwards in the 41st were the scorers for Arnett. Racing goals came courtesy of Dejon Grant in the 73rd and Stephon Spence in added time. Mount Pleasant's Gadale Irving was red-carded just after the halftime break. With the win, Mount Pleasant moved to 40 points atop the standings. Racing are 11th on 15 points. Mount Pleasant's coach Theodore Whitmore says they were not perturbed even after going down to 10 men and Racing fighting back.
Basically, we have experienced technical players who can hold it and see out a game. So it was no surprise. I think we show character at the end despite going down early. I went on to win the game.
Jamaica's Reggae Boys will host the Caribbean rivals Trinidad and Tobago in 2 friendly internationals next month. The world number 62 ranked Reggae Boys will face the 102 ranked Soca Warriors on February 6 at 7:30 p.m. This is at the Catherine Hall Sports Complex, before the teams square off again at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex on February 9 at 8 p.m. The last time both teams met was in June 2023 when the Reggae Boys ran out 4-1 winners at the CONCACAF Gold Cup. However, both teams have an equal record of 26 wins apiece and 11 drawn results over the years. Former 2-time 100-meter national champion Taekwondo Tracy is the latest track and field athlete to take up the sport of bobsleigh. Kari Russell, Audra Segree, Ashanti Moore, and Shakoria Wallace are among the track athletes who have taken up the sport in recent times. Tracy, who won the 100 meters at the 2018 and the 2021 national championships, is set to test his speed on ice in February. President of the Jamaica Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation, Dr. Chris Stokes, made the revelation during Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill last Friday. He also hinted that there could be more track athletes making the transition.
Yes, I have. We have. I don't know if I can call name, but Taekwondo Tracy will be on the sled for the month of February, example. But yeah. But and I would call some other names, but I don't want Coach Maurice Wheeler to be upset with me.
Tracy was a member of Jamaica's sprint relay squad at the 2023 World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.